Hello and welcome back to the Salesforce Consulting channel and this episode XYZ, I don't know, of Ask the Hulk show. So there's a message by Mridul Upadhyay. Mridul says, "Hi sir, this is new here. I want to know about prerequisites and procedure of doing an internship at Salesforce." What do you mean by at Salesforce? Like you want to get an internship at Salesforce company, or you want to get an internship in Salesforce ecosystem with the partners who provide the services or who create the products on Salesforce technology? Please tell me that. Only after that I'll be able to help you out with that question. So there's a message by Chaitanya Kumar, and Chaitanya says, "Hi, I want to learn Salesforce. I have experience in Java. Want to switch to Salesforce. How is the market for Salesforce in India, Hyderabad?" Chaitanya, no doubt this is the right time you should get into Salesforce, because in Hyderabad there are literally a lot of opportunities out there, and especially for the people who have got experience in Java. So for your profile, like you've worked as a Java developer as far as I can see, do not miss the chance to get into the Salesforce developer, because there are a lot of opportunities. A lot, believe me. So there's a message by Tejas Kulkarni. Tejas says, "Hi Shrey, please can you help me out with Salesforce nested maps?" Tejas, okay, I'll do that. Okay, I think I'll be able to create a video for that pretty soon. So I'm adding it in my video lineups. I'm adding it in my video lineups, and I'm gonna create it soon. So there's a message by Mohammed Riaz. Mohammed says, "Bhai, itna baat kaise kar lete hai? When I saw you, you made me remember my friend Gautam Singh." I'm so happy that I made you remember one of your friends, and that bring a laugh on your face. This is the way I am. I love to talk. I love to communicate, and yeah, I'm all in for it. Anytime, any day. Just tell me. So there is a message by Balazs Subramaniam, and Subramaniam says, "Hey hey Hulk, just a random guy. Me wanted to thank you for all your content on YouTube, and hats off that you have achieved what you're doing at such a young age. Great going, bro. You're really an inspiration." That means a lot, man. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. So there's a big message by Mandeep Deka. Mandeep says, "Hello Shrey, this is the first time I saw your video and came to know about Salesforce Hulk. Great initiative. I have one particular question, rather a concern that's been troubling me quite some time. We don't see much scope for an admin to grow here in India, because most of the organizations wants a developer only and expects them to do even the admin tasks, and hence very less opening for admin. So my question is, how do admins grow to survive in India if there is no scope or opening for them? I have 201, 401 sales consultant certificate, but today I have doubts about my growth and future as a Salesforce admin and don't know how the career path looks like. I'm also not currently working on Salesforce, but forced to work on some other domain due to less work on functional side of Salesforce. Please give it a thought and let me know your views. It would be a great value to know what you can share, as already an expert in this domain and more experience than me." Mandeep, this is a great question, and I don't know why I'm feeling like that I've already answered the question in any other video that I have created, but I'll answer it one more time. You're absolutely right with the number of opportunities that are available for the Salesforce admin are less, especially in India. They are very, very, very less. And what exactly companies want is you to be a developer who can also do the admin task. There's a crunch. Crunch of the opportunities that are there for Salesforce admin. So in this case, what a guy like you should do is, we've got the sales 201 certification, 401 certification, Sales Cloud consultant certifications. Move on to the other profiles that are available onto the Salesforce ecosystem. Taking advantage or taking the leverage of the experience that you have already got. And what I mean by that is, you've already worked as an administrator. Now is the time for you to move on and become a consultant or work as a business analyst. So you have to try other areas. You have to move your profile from this side to that side. And if you're not going to do it today, later in the future, I'll be very hard on this, or it might seem rude, or it might seem threatening. It is not threatening, but yeah, it might seem to you. Later, you'll be forced to do so. You'll be forced to quit your job, or either you'll have to you'll be forced to work onto some other domain, like you're already saying that you're currently forced to do some other tasks as well, because there is not much work for you on the functional side of Salesforce. So it's the right time for you to move to the consultant side or to the QA side if you're interested in something like that, or onto becoming a business analyst. There are huge opportunities. Let me tell you, there are so many opportunities out there for business analysts. You just need to have your communication skills right, and also you got to have a good understanding of the Salesforce as a platform as well as the businesses, which while working as a Salesforce administrator you must have learned or you must have got. So move into these areas instead of just stucking yourself, or instead of just focusing on to being a Salesforce admin only. I hope that makes sense. So there's a message by Lloyd. Lloyd says, love your videos, I'm taking my admin test in 2 weeks. Hey man, thanks for all the awesome content. Lloyd, I hope you're a Salesforce certified administrator till now. Tell me that you are. And by the way, glad to know that the content helped. So there is a message by Pearl Lee, and by the way, I know Pearl is following me everywhere. She's been, I think she's commented on the YouTube videos as well, and also on the Facebook as well. So Pearl, hey, wanna say hi to you. Hi Shrey, thank you for creating the YouTube channel as I've commented in one of your videos. Yes, I said. See, I really love the way you organize the content and presented each concept. I just finished your newest video. May we please connect here? Definitely, we are already connected, Pearl. Thanks for connecting in all your videos, Shrey. Hopefully we can meet in person soon. Would love to meet you in person. Pearl. And that's all for today's episode. I think I've covered enough messages for the day. We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Take care.